Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. I just got in a super nice little Ram 5500 mechanics truck I thought I should show you. This is a 2014 Dodge Ram 5500 series, and yes, that is four-wheel drive. Tires on it are really nice. I don't think they got to do anything to it. It's got the nice little running boards on it. And of course, it's got the good old 6.7 turbocharged Cummins diesel motor in it. Clean truck, locks, windows. This is a utility company truck. So it's set up so that you got your little compartments there. You got storage compartments there, and you got beverage holders. You get locks, windows. This actually has a backup camera on it. It's got a nice upgraded sound system, factory trailer brake right there, tilt wheel, cruise control, and it's only showing 138,000 miles on it. And if you didn't notice, this is a crew cab, and this one actually has the rear seat still there, all set up. Nice truck, nicely done. 138,000 miles. Got your little storage, is pre-wired for some antennas and whatnot there for you. So very nicely done, nice and clean. Got strobe lights on it. It's got strobe lights on the grill. There's a nice ladder rack up there. Cabinet is rust free. There's your slide out tool drawers that you guys are always asking me about. Oh, incidentally, kind of hard to tell, but hopefully you can see that it is lighted as well. Again, lighting right there, and solid. No rust on the bottom of that cabinet anywhere, guys. It's got a nice heavy-duty rear step bumper on it. It's got the receiver hitch on it. It's got a little step to get up inside there with it. Nap hide box. It's about the best in the market. Steel diamond plate floor. Solid little truck. Oh, it's got work lights on it. There's a work light right there. There's another work light right there. You can set those wherever you want them. And on this side of the cabinet, you've got the same thing. You got storage. Oh, there's a receptacle right there. I'll get to that in a minute. And this one, of course, has the same storage. Tires on the rear, just like the ones on front. Hopefully that'll zoom in on that and give you an idea. I'd say they're 70%, something like that. And there's some more of your little toolbox drawers right there. You even got a little surprise there. And look at here, there's your, so hopefully you can see that that's lit up. I'll turn it off, maybe you can picture that coming on. But that is a nice heavy duty Dimensions inline converter. That's why there's a outlet in the back, and there's also an outlet on that console right there. So I don't know, I've never tried it, so I don't know if it's functional or not. So anyway, so it's got a lot of cool stuff on it right there. Four-wheel drive, as I mentioned, running boards. And it's got a 3203 auto crane on it. Now I've got the manual extension off on that as well. And it has your remote control wireless right there. So it'll do all kinds of things for you. Anyway, it's a beautiful truck. 2014 Ram 5500. Pretty well loaded up, guys. Got about everything that you could need. Put your own air compressor and welder in there and you are good to go. So once again, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip. This truck is in Henderson, Tennessee. Please give me a call, 602-510-5444. Once again, 602-510-5444. Thanks for looking.